Hello, hello, good evening. February 7, 2025. In my front room, my own plants. See? They are big leaves now. You see? You see what I see? You see what I see? Very beautiful. See? Only one left before, after 7 years. This one, like a bonsai already. Yeah, now, bonsai. You like bonsai. You see, I've been there, I have there. I have there, I have there. See, big leaves now. So happy. Happy, happy. Only one, I get this one, this one, this one, and this one, and that one is from here. I multiply and have more there in the back. I replant again, maybe this summer. Summer is coming soon. See that one, the small one, I can replant again. Wow, yeah, very nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. You see my decoration there. How I love my house. Ooh, still nice. Still nice. Still nice here.